Okay, today we're going to talk about one of my favorite topics. So any patient who's ever seen me has always got this recommendation to consume 25 grams of protein in the morning. And so one of the questions comes up is, does it matter what kind of protein I take? And why is it so important to have 25 grams in the morning? Think about this. What does your DNA make? All DNA makes is protein. So that protein gets broken down into amino acids. Those amino acids go into your cells. Your cells convert some of those amino acids to sugar, so your blood sugar stays very regular. Those amino acids can produce energy. Those amino acids can go into the DNA to produce proteins that your body needs. So it provides the backbone of everything that we need to create all sorts of compounds and substances for the body through your DNA. So 25 grams of protein in the morning is really important, and I call it one of my hits. And what is a hit? A hit is a product that I give to 10 patients, and out of those 10 patients, 8 patients are gonna feel really good with it. And so one of the questions comes up is, does it matter what kind of protein I take? Well, in a sense it does. And what I mean by that is, here we go again. Are you ready? Mediterranean diet. So what does the Mediterranean diet teach us? It teaches us to eat lots of vegetables, fruits. It teaches us to take herbs. It teaches us to consume whole grains. It teaches us to have some dairy, eggs. It teaches us to have fish, but very little in the way of meat. So does the type of protein matter? Yes, it does. 25 grams of protein is about 4 eggs. So what I tell my patients is, hey, there is some phenomenal proteins in the marketplace, powders, and I rather recommend those in the morning because they're easy to do. You get a bullet. I put half a cup of water in that bullet, 2 scoops of my protein powder. I love whey isolate. That's what I like. A couple of tablespoons of frozen berries, blueberries, strawberry, whatever you want. Blend it, takes about 15 seconds. And I always like to have in that protein powder, I like to have a specific type of fiber. So I can tell you, find the right protein for you, the right protein supplement for you in the morning, do 25 grams every morning, and you will feel different within 3 to 7 days. And so, does it matter what kind of protein? Yes, in a matter of sense, it does. Find the right protein for yourself, do it, and then usually lunchtime and dinner time, you have your 25 grams.